Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a repair and tune-up report for Lee in Tennessee on his Cobra 148 GTL. Lee, as you're looking right now, you can see we have fixed your mic cord and your radio is doing as it should once again. We'll go to the meter real quick and show you. 5-watt slug going forward, 2-watt carrier, 100-watt slug and PEP on the Cobra 148. Hello audio. Hello audio. 16 honest peak watts out of this Cobra 148 GTL. Got good reports on it this evening. Lee, it's ready to come back to the volunteer state, my friend. I appreciate it and looking forward to meeting you in Manchester, Tennessee for the Channel 28 Good Time Gang meet at the end of June. From truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bop bop.